This is my 1/30th scale Chevrolet K10 sold by Axial, and this is one of the 3D printed plates that I designed to make a course for it. After many hours of printing, the parts can be assembled to make a course like this one. You can arrange the plates to make any course that you like, but for this video, this blue line shows the course that I shall be driving. The first obstacle is a seesaw. Next are 3 large concrete pipes partly buried in the ground. After crossing the pipes, we reach the log pit. Before we reach the rocky section of the course, there is an old Crown Victoria to be crushed. Now the rock crawling starts. This narrow rock arch requires a precise line. This corner can be quite tricky. Getting past this rock pillar isn't easy. Then comes the log bridge. Now to climb over the notch. To finish the course, we just have to cross the Dragon's Teeth. And if all of that looked too easy, let's look at some mishaps where only a few millimetres error in line caused some problems. And even the seesaw can be a problem if you don't stop in exactly the right place. If you would like to print some of these parts for yourself, I will leave a link in the description below when the parts are available on the Printables website.